Ito ang mixture ng maintenance feed na ginagamit ko. 3 kilo ng 7 kinds concentrate. At 1 pack o 1 kilo ng sagupaan high action ready mix high protein feeds. At 1 pack din ng sagupaan winning line high protein power booster pellets.
5.
At kalahating kilo ng cracked corn. Pagkatapos niyan, halu-haluin lang. Uy! May libre pala ang B50 tablet ng sagupaan. Sang ka pa? Pwedeng gayahin, pwede rin hindi. Thank you for watching.